To enable and use quick response feature on the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap more setting. Tap quick responses. And then tap the gray on option next to show in conversation until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Here you can do some customization for the quick responses like add new quick response, delete unwanted quick response, or change the order of the quick responses. To use this feature, tap the back key 3 times to go back to the conversation list. Tap a conversation. You can see that the quick responses are displayed above the text entry field. You can tap the desired quick response to use it. Given to the function, you can use quick response as a general answer for your situation when you need to quickly reply to a message without you have to type it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.